Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Monday, April 25th. As you know, this is a huge week for us here at the shop. On Friday, the 29th, our Quilt Sampler Spring and Summer 2022 magazine will be released for sale, and we have a multi-page article in the magazine as well as a original pattern written by me. So I hope that you will either pre-order or come in on Friday to grab one of those magazines. It's their top shops issue, so we are in great company with other shops all over the country that have also been chosen for the designation. And of course, Saturday is our handmade market. So I have a few more vendors to share with you this week. I think we have 2 or 3 more. This vendor right here is Chrissy Walker. She has been with us for a few of these events, and she loves barn quilt painting, and she does a great job of it. She says, "My name is Chrissy Walker, and I started barn quilting in 2017. I've been painting or drawing my whole life. When there's chaos in life or in my head, one or the other calms it down. I own a small business selling my barn quilts of all sizes. I also make custom barn quilts as well. At the market, I will have 2-inch keychains, 3-inch magnets, 3-inch Christmas tree ornaments, and several indoor barn quilts for sale. I will also have my pattern notebook with me for you to place an order for the larger, I can go up to 3 feet, outdoor barn quilts. I usually don't take those pre-made to events because customers usually prefer to design them personally. Have a great day," she says. So these are actually coasters, and they all match, and they have the little bubbly nubbies on the bottom so they don't slide away on you. And then one of these things I showed you earlier, this is a cutting board. So you can use this side to cut on, and then that side to display in your kitchen when you're not cutting. So that's a pretty fun idea. And then these are her little keychains. So she always has a lot of fun and really fun stuff to see when she is at our markets. Next up, we do have giveaways at the end of the video from Ken High with Love My Nest, so stay tuned. We have new precuts. These are Ombre Galaxy metallic precuts. V & Company is taking their Ombre collection to the next level, making it out of this world. With this collection, the 30 V & Company ombre colors have a hand-dyed ombre look and a metallic gold splatter. Let's see if I can kind of dig in there and show you some of that. We will have the full collection of fabrics as soon as they are available and they have shipped. So these are going to be really fun. And I love all those colors. Look at all those delicious colors. Yum. Okay, so we have those available in the shop online and curbside now. Next up, for the cat lovers in the crowd, and yes, I know, whenever we show cat fabric, people want dog fabric. Dog fabric! And whenever we show dog fabric, people want cat fabric. But today, it's cat fabric. So this is called Purrfect Partners. Lots of quilters love cats and cat fabric. Purrfect Partners is a collection from Anne Rowan that features, you guessed it, cute little whimsical stylized cats. And this is by Wilmington Prints. So we have some great go-withs here. And I wanted to open up some of these because I want to be able to see them all myself too. Let's see. If we show it that way, is that upright to you? Yeah. All visitors must be cat approved. The road to my heart is paved with paw prints. I decorate with cat hair. Excellent. Crazy every now and again. Cat lady all day, every day. So for all you cat lovers, and then we have a fun border print. Let's see what this one looks like. Let's see. Is that right side up for you? I like that. It has a really long repeat. That's fun. And the little paw prints and yarn balls in between are also really fun. And then we have an all over cat. And as you know, this is not a toss because they're all going the same way. I like that one with the black and white tail sticking up. Do you see him? Yeah, right here in the middle. And then we have the yarn balls. I can't imagine purposely putting a yarn ball near a cat, but I'm sure it's happened. I mean, it seems to be one of those things. And then here is a toss with all those same fun words. That's fun. I love it. It's kind of a linen-y looking background. It's a little bit creamy and a little bit gray. Well, if you look at it compared to the selvage, you'll see the difference in color there. It's a fun color. And then we have the paw prints. If you've never seen these on your windshield before, consider yourself lucky. We used to have cats that crawled all over our cars. So that's what we have for you today. I also have winners from Ken High and Love My Nest birdhouses. This little birdhouse is going to Facebook fan Shirley Bullock. So there you go, Shirley. What a beautiful gift from Ken. And then this, which can be a wall hanging, it can be a sit-upon for anywhere in your house, is going to a YouTube fan who goes by the name Gums Doctor. So Gums Doctor, if you're out there, you've won this beauty, and you can let us know how to get it to you. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop with more fun, more vendors, more fabric, more everything tomorrow. Bye.